The backpack design is more lightweight, and the cleaning of items can be realized in the scenario that the personnel can pass through. The compact controller is as easy to operate as a mobile phone. Pulse lasers are helpful in removing rust, paint, oil, and other stubborn materials without damaging the underlying material. The portable pulse laser cleaning machine has a good cleaning effect on iron, carbon steel plate, stainless steel plate, mold steel gear, aluminum plate, paint layer, and other materials.